How to make a social media post in Photoshop. First of all, start with a white background. Then go to Layers Gradient and adjust the gradient settings. Choose Angle and move the angle arrow to get the direction you like. Press OK. Now go to the layer where you have your object. Select the subject. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then come back to your project and paste it here. Adjust it. Next, create a new layer. Go to Shapes Ellipse tool and make a circle shape behind the object. Fill it with white color. After that, open Blending options. Select Outer Glow. Pick a blue color and adjust the glow settings as needed. Press OK when done. Now paste the text you want to add. Adjust its position properly. Select some of the text and change their colors to make it stand out. And that's it. Your social media post design is ready.